just going to look at true bearings. Now, true bearings, they always start from north. Now, north to you will be always where you are facing. So it's always facing straight ahead. It's not the real north in real life. Okay, you could probably turn and look to real north. But just when we're looking on our page, we orientate north as at the top there. Okay, so the other thing is then you turn clockwise. Okay, and you're starting from north at 0, and you turn clockwise, and your angle is always between 0 and 360, and it is always written with 3 digits. So there's a couple of things just in that we should think about. So 3 digits, 0 to there, and clockwise. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So this here is 0 degrees here. Then when you turn to there, you go to 90. All the way around would be 180. If you keep going, that'll be 270, because that's like 3 times 90. 3 nines are 27. And then all the way around would be 360. Okay, so if we're looking at this, we're turning around. So if we had a bearing that was out here, and that was 40 degrees, let's say that's A, then we say B is, that's north, 040, see the 3 digits? Sometimes you'll see a little T after it like this. Sometimes you won't. So it means it's true north of A. So notice, or from A. So notice it's from A. So from A, right, that's where that starting point there is. So that's where the bearing is actually measured from. So let's say we look at one that comes here, and we'll make that 30 degrees there. So that's 30. Okay, what is that bearing there? All right, so this is east. So you don't want to be writing east 30 degrees south. That's a no-no. You must start. You got to start. Oh, sorry, I'm doing it as a compass bearing. If you're doing a compass bearing, you have to start at south here. And you go that 60, and you go south 60 degrees east. So that wasn't my intention. My intention is to do it from north and spin it around to there. So that's 90 there. 90 plus 30 is 120 degrees. You could just put true north. And if C was there and D, that would be D is from C. So wherever you're from is, that's where the starting point is. Okay. So let's just see, where do you think a bearing, a true bearing of 300 would be? Okay, so that's north. Remember that was 90 to there, 180. What was that one again? 3 times 90, so it's 270. So 300 is more than that. So if you want another 30 in there, so if you went 30 degrees, that would be all the way around. Is that okay? That's what it would look like. This would also be 30. Oh, sorry, 300. Another 30, that would be 60. Because it's 270 plus 30 is 300, plus 60 would make it north all the way around. Okay, so let's just draw a diagram for this. A is on a bearing of 210 degrees from B. So that's 90, that's 180, that's 270. So you're looking at something going along this line. So you're turning all the way around here. That is 210. The little angle there ends up being 30, because you just go 210 minus 180, which is 30. So you'd be walking along this line here. Now where would the A and the B? So it's from B, so that's got to be at the centre. And this one here would be A, because that's where A has walked along in that direction from B.